Hi, everyone. So I am going to review quiz one for the spring 2026 semester in my section K jumbo class. And let's jump into it. I'm going to try and have all of our lecture quiz videos up here in case you either were absent and you want to take a look at what you missed, or, sorry, it's a little noisy back here, or in case you want to identify the mistakes that you made on the quiz when you were taking it. All right, so we have first question, find the least common multiple of 30 and 36. Let me see if I can zoom in on this a little bit. I'm really hoping that Zoom really blocks out the background noise here. So you want to use cake method here. Let's go ahead and let's write our numbers 30, 36. Draw our first upside down cake. And then we ask ourselves, what is a factor that goes into both 30 and 36? And we know that 6 goes into both of them. So 6 goes into 35 times, 6 goes into 36, 6. Now we ask ourselves, can we pull out a factor between 5 and 6? Well, the only factor we can pull out is 1, hence both 5 and 6 are relatively prime, which means we're done. We're done with our cake. And so our least common multiple, also known as our least common denominator, is just the product of the whole border. So our LCD, also known as our LCM, which is what they're asking us to find, is just 6 times 5 times 6. And we know that 6 times 5 is 30, and 30 times 6 is 180. So we get our LCM to just be equal to 180. And that is the answer for question one. We're done. This box down below is where you're going to put in your final answer. Let's go ahead and move on to question two. Question two is asking us to evaluate the expression 2x squared minus xy plus 4y squared. And we're given that our x is equal to -4. So wherever I see an x, I'm just going to highlight some yellows. And then our y is equal to -3. So wherever I see a y, I'm going to highlight some blues. I'm going to create a lot of parentheses here so that I don't make any mistakes with my negatives. So I have 2 parentheses squared minus parenthesis plus 4 parentheses squared. And now I'm going to do some color coding. We have our blue over here. We have our yellow over here. And now we're going to fill in the appropriate numbers. So our yellow is -4. And then our blue is -3. Now we're essentially just going through our good old PEMDAS in order to simplify this problem. So let's deal with parentheses first. We have this -4 squared is +16, so 2 times 16. We have a -4 times a -3 is a +12, so minus our +12. And then we have a -3 in parentheses squared is +9. So we have 4 times 9. Now let's take care of some multiplication. We have our 2 times 16 and we have our 4 times 9. 2 times 16 gives you 32. And then 4 times 9 gives you 36. And now we're just gonna solve it from left to right, dealing with our addition and our subtraction from left to right. 32 minus 12 gives us 20, and 20 plus 36 gives you 56. So we have 20 plus 36, 56, and that's your final result. Once again, once you have your answer, you're going to go ahead and put it into the answer box down below here. And so that's it. That completes our question 2, as well as the end of our quiz 1. Hope this was helpful, and I will see you guys all next time.